It's hurricane season, and there is important information that the Collision Industry Foundation wants you to know. The Collision Industry Foundation provides emergency relief to collision repair professionals who have experienced significant losses due to natural disasters or other catastrophic events. If you're in an area that could potentially be impacted by a hurricane, here are a few helpful tips from ready.gov. Make an emergency plan. Hurricanes are not just a coastal problem. Find out how rain, wind, and water could happen where you live so you can start preparing now. Know your evacuation zone. Make sure everyone in your household knows and understands your hurricane plan. Review important documents. Make sure your insurance policies and personal documents like ID are up to date. Make copies and keep them in a secure password-protected digital space. Strengthen your home. Declutter drains and gutters. Bring in outside furniture and consider hurricane shutters. Get tech ready. Keep your cell phone charged when you know a hurricane is in the forecast and purchase backup charging devices to power electronics. Help your neighborhood. Check with neighbors, senior adults, or those who may need additional help securing hurricane plans to see how you can be of assistance to others. Gather supplies. Have enough supplies for your household. Include medication, disinfectant supplies, masks, pet supplies in your go bag or car trunk. After a hurricane, you may not have access to these supplies for days or even weeks. Finally, download the FEMA app and receive real-time alerts from the National Weather Service for up to 5 locations nationwide. If you or someone you know in the collision repair industry has been impacted by a hurricane, contact the Collision Industry Foundation to request assistance at collisionindustryfoundation.org. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.